Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we're diving into post and rail systems. Simple, stylish, and perfect for defining your outdoor space. Let's get started. First, what is a post and rail fence? Post and rail fencing is a classic system where the posts hold horizontal rails in place. It's commonly used for ranches, farms, and even residential properties, thanks to its open, rustic look. Next, choosing materials for posts and rails. You can choose from various materials. Wood offers that timeless, natural feel, while vinyl requires less maintenance and resists rot. Metal posts are strong and durable, ideal for longer-lasting setups. Let's talk about its easy installation of post and rail fences. The rails can be round, square, or split, depending on the style you're going for. They easily slide or fit into pre-cut notches on the posts, making installation simple. Lastly, the benefits of post and rail fencing. Post and rail fences are great for defining property lines without blocking the view. They're also ideal for containing animals on farms or adding character to your yard. To recap, post and rail fencing is versatile, easy to install, and available in a range of materials to suit your needs. It's a timeless choice for both functional and aesthetic purposes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.